always easier to pursue a certain course of action when we know and understand why it should be done. There is one right way to take care of your tractor, one right way to do the things that should be done, one right way to operate it, to service it. Back of the suggestions in this picture is the experience of building tractors for more than a quarter of a century. Because oil is necessary for smooth, efficient operation with minimum fuel consumption, maximum power, and longer life, your tractor, regardless of its make, is equipped with an oiling system. This oiling system carries oil to main and connecting rod bearings and all the moving parts of the engine. So long as this system is working properly, you'll have a smooth operating engine. The pistons, which carry the brunt of the load, move freely and easily.
Merrily we roll along, roll along, roll along. Merrily we roll along all the livelong day. Merrily we roll along, roll along, roll along. Merrily we roll along. What's wrong? Give us oil! Give us oil! We're stuck!
If your tractor is working in dry, dusty conditions like this, it may collect as much as 100 pounds of dirt in a year's time. Dirt that otherwise might have gotten into the working parts of your tractor. Regularly serviced, your air cleaner takes out all dust and dirt. Should it get through a dirty cleaner that is in need of service, you're in for eventual trouble. Dust and dirt in a cleaner like this become destructive gremlins in your tractor.
I'm the gremlin doity Dan. I does me damage where I can. I cut the bearings, load the oil, makes the engine pound and boil. I clogs the filters and I plugs the screens. I'll show you now what my work means. Come on, gang. Here's a tractor. Let's raise heck. It's a death trap, boys. We can get through a dirty cleaner like this one. Ah, this is the life. Uh-oh. You ain't seen nothing yet. There's a lot more of us on the way.
Taking care of your tractor during the busy seasons, checking the oil level, greasing, filling the radiator, should be a regular job, like milking the cows or feeding the livestock. Your reward is smoother, more efficient operation, longer tractor life, and maximum economy. It's always good business to take care of your tractor and equipment. It will pay big dividends in longer life, lower upkeep and operating costs, and in the real satisfaction you get from your investment.